this is some rot here, rotted away areas. You can see, I mean, it's real dry now, but it just flakes away just from having been so wet. This is up on the stateroom, you know, the part that makes it look like a pirate ship. And these are, you know, then it follows all the way down. And then here, let me stick it inside the tarp to see if I can show you anything. I don't know, it gets kind of dark. It's got some places where the wood's coming up. But then up here, it's got a little more. Yeah, the top just needs redone. That's as simple as it is. So there's up to the top. See this? I'm trying not to fall in nor lose my cell phone here. Okay. Down all the way. Oh dear. And okay, we're gonna come out of there. Some of it's good, some of it's not so good, but you know, working in big long pieces, you're gonna want to replace probably just the whole thing. There we go. Looks like this along the rail here. She's got around the stanchion, and like I think you've seen the scuppers. Yeah, this is one of the scuppers. Doesn't look too bad. She needs to be, I don't know, rattled, I guess it's called, to, you know, deal with the rust. Repainted. And let me go ahead and move my position.